question. Secant theta plus tan theta. Textbook question. Cosecant theta minus cot theta equal to 1 by k. Then prove that cos theta equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. This is the question. Now cosecant theta minus cot theta, one formula there. Which formula that? Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. This is what? Identity, right? So this identity use, this is the a square minus b square form. A square minus b square means what? A plus b into a minus. This form used here means a square minus b square. So a plus b cosecant theta plus cot theta into cosecant theta minus cot theta equal to 1. Now cosecant theta minus cot theta equal to 1 by k given. Right? This value is substitute here. So cosecant theta plus cot theta into 1 by k equal to 1. Cosecant theta plus cot theta equal to reciprocal k. So this is equation 1. Take this one value. Equation 2. Any doubt? Next one. Equation 1 and equation 2. Equation 1 plus equation 2 adding. Adding equation. Cosecant theta minus cot theta equal to 1 by k and cosecant theta plus cot theta equal to k. So here these two adding only. So this is minus, this is plus. So cancel this value. So cosecant theta equal to 1 by k plus k by 1. Write that value. So cosecant theta equal to LCM what? K. K1 is k. So 1 plus k into k is k square. So cosecant theta equal to k square plus 1 by this 2 transfer here to k. This is equation number 3. Any doubt up to here? First value what? Cosecant theta minus cot theta equal to 1 by k. Use formula cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Okay? Here a square minus b square means a plus b into a minus. This value substitute here 1 by k transfer means that value is k. Sometimes here asking cosecant theta minus cot theta equal to k. Okay? So transfer here 1 by k. Here minus given, plus is 1 by k. Here 1 by k given, here k. Okay? Direct value is like no problem. Next one, equation 1 minus equation 2 do. Equation 1 minus equation 2. First one is addition, second one is subtraction. Cosecant theta minus cot theta equal to 1 by k. Next one what? Cosecant theta plus cot theta equal to k. So subtraction only. Here plus symbol means here minus symbol. Plus minus here minus. This value cancel now. Last equation my cot theta is eliminated. Here second one cosecant eliminating here. So minus cot theta minus 2 cot theta equal to 1 by k minus k by 1 minus 2 cot theta equal to LCM what? K 1 minus k square. So cot theta equal to 1 minus k square by minus 2k. applying here cot theta equal to minus apply minus 1 plus a square by 2k. Cot theta equal to a square plus 1 by 2k. A square minus 1 by 2k. This is equation number 4. Okay na? Now here cos theta k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. But here equation 3 k square plus 1 numerator. Here k square minus 1 numerator. So 4 by 3 take. Why? Because here question value k square minus 1 only. That's why I am taking 4 by 3. Okay, here asking k square plus 1 by k square minus 1. That time take 3 by 4 take. Why? Because here k square plus numerator. This value take up. Understand? So here 4 value cot theta by cosecant theta equal to k square minus 1 by 2k by k square plus 1 by 2k. 2k cancel. Cot theta by cosecant theta equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Okay. So here cot means what? Cos theta by sin theta. Cosecant means 1 by sin theta. Sin cancel only. So remaining value what? Cos theta equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. This is the proof. Here asking secant theta, reciprocal only. If you ask the secant, that value is reciprocal. K square plus 1 by k square minus 1. Cos theta asking means k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. This, after this numerical changing, secant theta minus tan theta equal to b. Then prove that is question 2. Prove that cos, sin, secant, cosecant, no, I don't know. But third equation by fourth equation by third equation. Two different cases take. Two values will give. Understand? Do it. First write this one. Second question mark. Tell me Amrita. Secant theta minus tan theta equal to p. So this is equation 1. Second equation what? Secant theta plus tan theta equal to 1 by p. This is second equation. Why? Because secant and tan combination formula what? Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So that is a square minus b square only. A plus b to a minus b. Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus plus tan theta equal to 1. This value substitute transpose 1 by p. Last question formula. So equation 1 and equation 2 adding 1 plus 2. So cancel this one. 2 secant theta equal to p plus 1 by p. 2 secant theta equal to LCM p into p square plus 1. Secant theta equal to p square plus 1 by 2p. This is equation number 3. Okay, next one. Equation 1 minus equation 2. Secant theta minus tan theta equal to p. Secant theta plus tan theta equal to 1 by, so minus this value this value cancel secant minus tan theta minus 2 tan theta equal to p minus 1 by p. LCM here 1 p minus 2 tan theta equal to p square minus 1 by 2p. Tan theta equal to p square minus 1 by 2p. Tan theta equal to minus p square plus 1 by 2p. Tan theta equal to 1 minus p square by 2p. Right, this is equation number 4. Equation 3 by equation 4, right? Secant theta by tan theta equal to secant theta, right here 1 minus p square only. This also write 1 plus p square. 1 plus p square by 2p. 1 minus p square by 2p. 2p cancel. Secant means 1 by cos theta. Tan means sin by cos theta equal to 1 plus p square by 1 minus p square. Cos the plus cancel. 1 by sin equal to 1 plus p square by 1 minus p square. Suppose asking sin. Asking sin means what? Cross multiplication 1 minus p square by 1 plus p square. This is what? If you ask cos, then prove that ask sin, that is 1 minus p square by 1 plus p square. 1 by sin equal to what here? Cosecant. If ask cosecant, this value only write 1 plus p square by 1 minus p square. This is cosecant. Okay. Based on which one, show that which value asking sin cosecant, that value is only right. Okay. Any doubt? Next one. Next question. This also very important. Cos theta by 1 minus sin theta plus cos theta by 1 plus sin theta equal to 4. Here denominator check 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. Denominators A into A and B there. That values are different only. So LCM what? LCM equal to multiplication. A into B. Right? So here also write 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. So here 1 minus sin theta one time, this value into this value means cross multiplication. Cos theta into 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta into 1 minus sin theta equal to 4. So cos theta 1 is cos theta into sin theta, cos theta sin theta, cos theta 1 is cos theta minus cos theta sin theta by a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square equal to 4. Plus cos theta sin theta cancel. Cos theta plus cos theta 2 cos theta by 1 minus sin square theta equal to cos square theta equal to 4. Since here 1 minus sin square theta equal to cos square theta. This is identity. This identity uses this value 1 minus sin square. 1 square means 1 only. So 1 minus sin square equal to cos square. That value only writing cos square. So cos theta and square cancel. Remaining value what? 2 by cos theta equal to 4. 2 by 4 equal to cos theta. Cos theta equal to 2 1 the 2 2 the 1 by 2. Theta equal to how much? Cos 60 degrees. Solving this. Okay, na? This type of model, one more last next 11 two questions there. Okay, next one. Sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square. Say given question this 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. So given question here sin square A plus cos square A, cos A whole cosecant square whole square cos A plus right side tan and cot given. So this values convert to tan and cot. So here A plus B whole square form apply. Sin square theta sin square A plus cosecant square A plus 2 sin A cosecant A plus here A plus B whole square cos square A plus secant square A plus 2 cos A secant A. Okay na? So sin square A and cos square A right here one first. Sin square A plus cos square A plus cosecant square A plus secant square A plus 2 sin A. Cosecant means right 1 by sin A. This is one form plus 2 cos A. Secant means that 1 by cos A. This is what reciprocals. Okay. So sin square theta plus cos square theta value 1 plus cosecant square A plus secant square A plus sin cancel 2. Here cos cancel 2. 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5 plus cosecant square A plus secant square A 5 plus cosecant identity what cosecant square theta minus cos square theta equal to 1. Cosecant theta equal to 1 plus cot square A. Secant square means 1 plus tan square A. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 1 7 plus cot square A plus tan square. This is what